don't graduate too, but there is no job. We try Bolivia to cross the sea, now they return us. They start to talk about environment for so long. Selfishness and greediness, now they kill our economy. Me and daughter have our government. Tell me why they call the lie about empowerment. Time don't reach to tell them. May they stop all their greediness. As you see me, so I know they fear them. Because it is what they do, we deceive them. Hey. Come with the army, we are the people of freedom. We no retreat, we no surrender until we prevail. Complete the war.
Yes. Yes. Oh, brothers and sisters. Ooh. I'm not going to stay long today.
There is no trace. They know the plan, the way to migrate, but it's too late. We no retreat, we no surrender until we prevail. Complete the war, my body jump back. There is no trace. They know the plan, the way to migrate, but the most achieve. Make we follow join the movement of justice and peace. Make we try to stop the losing. Oh, should be, make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided we fall down. Oh, should be, make we follow join the movement of justice and peace. Make we try to stop the losing. Oh, should be, make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided we fall down.
Why you say if election time go reach to campaign, they go turn beggars. When we don't vote for them, they don't sit down for seats. All of them, they go turn Judas. If you ask me what the man go do, if you like say I get some time for you, there is a lot for us to do. Before they go turn us to Mumu, go to west, or you go to east. People they die for hunger because no food to eat. No better run, come on all night. See us with the summer because they put us for eat. I'm on with the para because we do the suffer. My fellow Nigerian, it's time for us to stand up. I like it on the face, if you look into my eyes, you will see say it's right though.
We no retreat, we no surrender until we prevail. Complete the war, my body jump up. There is no trace. They know the plan, the way to migrate, but it's too late. We no retreat, we no surrender until we prevail. Complete the war, my body jump up. There is no trace. They know the plan, the way to migrate, but the most achieve. Oh yeah, oh should be, make we follow join the movement of justice and peace. Make we try to stop the losing. Oh should be, make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided we fall down. Oh should be, make we follow join the movement of justice and peace. Make we try to stop the losing. Oh should be, make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided we fall down.
Yeah, good day, brothers and sisters. I want to quickly just let you know I'm not going to be long on this broadcast. Like I said the other day, I think it was on Friday, let you know that I'm on a special protection job. So there was some certain place they need a tight security. So some of my co-officers, they got the contract. So every day I come here, help. You know, I got to rent a car in Washington, D.C. So even though I'm not going to get the money now, I have to go work. So I am not going to be long. I am the one doing the talking, doing the fighting, doing everything. Come here, broadcast, tell you what you can do, open your eye, educate you. A lot of you could not even talk to a governor before Mega Comrade. None of you, a lot of you were scared. You can't even challenge the governor before Mega Comrade. So when I came, I let you all know that it's okay to challenge your government. I let you all know that it's okay to speak against indisciplined government, reckless government, like the government we are having in Africa. You can see right now, I'm not going to share that much. So I'm the one that will come online, liberate everybody, or educate everybody, make awareness, psychological effect, physical effect, and eventually we torpedo them. I'm the one that doing everything. So I have to do all. It's only about 7 people that are supporting me. Today now, yes, I went to the office. I'm proud of myself. I mean, I'm at home. I do a lot of job, doing this, broadcasting every day. I make my schedule. I don't have to go to work, and I still come back whenever I want to go. I go there, I grab my weapon. That's it. This is a revolver, official weapon. Right here. You can see it. Official weapon, right here, revolver. I just got it this morning. Know what I'm saying? I'm going to walk. Bah. Yes, my lamb in the middle. Bah. 2. Always armed. 2 teeth. 2 times. Always armed. With a lot of magazine. Who wants it? Nobody. So, ready for work. So, I don't play. So, I let people know I'm clean. I am very, very clean. You know? I'm a talk and do. When I tell you I'm going to do this, I told you I went to the office, sign it, they gave me my revolver, automatic, with a lot of magazine. I'm ready. Ready. How many Nigerians can go to, you are in Germany. How many of you in Germany can just go to your company or whatever, say, give me official weapon. They will just sign it and give it to you. How many of you? Exactly. Not a lot of people. So you need to have respect for Mega Comrade. It's not easy. For how many days? 3 months to 4 months, I have no work. I go to work 1 time in 1 month. 2 times I go there, I say, no, I want to do 3 work. I'm going to do this. I need a revolver. Bah. Okay, sign it. Bah, 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 bah. You have it. That's it. Thank God Almighty. So, that is on that one. I need everyone to share this video. Whoever lays that. You're right. Mega. I'm always mega in everything. Double weapon. Double. You see it? Double. You see it? Double weapon. Every time. Double. Mega. That's right. Double. I'm mega. I'm ready. Ikana wa ye we wuna yoma. Oh wa ba banesi. U kati wo waka. Don't do this. I didn't. Where are we boo? Where we are dear we boo. Ikana ye we wuna yoma. Na wa uni a black granny. So anything. O make a law seban. Or that way everybody could be a papa name. So that is it. Let me hurry up because I have just few minutes. So I want everyone to share this video. I have 10 minutes left. Okay. Here is the deal. Another Yoruba man destroy a Yoruba. Una know the justice that preside on Sowore case without even giving Sowore people to even make their case as tough as even the lawyer. DSS just went to the court and said we need 49 days. Yesterday, I finally conduct my investigation. Last night, I confirmed it. Bam. Without even giving a fair hearing. Now, they are planning for another 49 days. It's only a zoo. A zoo country of Muhammadu Buhari. A country, a lawless country. Lawless country like Nigeria. That is the only way they suppress everyone. They don't want you to know that you have a right to protest. They want to damage you. They want to destroy you. Eventually, if they cannot kill you, they will jail you. We are not going to tolerate it. Today's date is, brothers and sisters, today's date is Monday, August 19, 2019. 49 days. DSS versus Omoyele Sowore. APC, Muhammadu Buhari. Nnamdi Kanu. Rocha Sokorocha. Godwin Obaseki. Ike Ekwemandu. And Nigeria Embassy in Washington, D.C. I want to quickly ask you this. Do evil, corrupt Nigerian political terrorist leader need diaspora beating? If yes, tap yes. If no, tap no. Do evil, corrupt Nigerian political leaders, terrorists, those people that are sponsoring terrorists, do they need beating? Beating. Expose them. Expose them to the Western World Police. Expose them to the Interpol. Expose them. Eventually, if they attack you, you fight back. You have every right to defend yourself. If you go to any party, let me tell you, you go to any party, anywhere Nigerian political evil leader is, and you choose. Listen, Brafa beat me this one. Brafa. I'm preparing to go to Washington D.C. Akataka. So this boy in Berlin, in Germany, this boy in Newberg, Germany, Atwale for you. You move fast. I was the first person that would have shown an example, but I have been preaching it, that we should start chasing them out of our land, out of diaspora. Hence they said when we talk, we will not come home. If we come home, they will kill us. They should not be allowed to come to Western world. Period. They should go and fix their shithole country. President Donald J. Trump is 100% right. All African leaders should go and fix their shithole country. Whenever they come to your city, your town, I am going to educate you people tomorrow. When they come to your city, who keep them in their house, go and protest in their house. Protest every day so that their neighbor will chase them out. Who use their vehicle to carry them, you go to their work and protest. Tell them that they are supporting terrorist sponsor. Tell them, go to German police, go to Italian police. Say these people are supporting political terrorist sponsor. Tell them we should start chasing them. I told you people 2-3 years ago. And may God bless you, Nnamdi Kanu. I throw away hard for you. When I told you people that the only people that can help us fight for this revolution that will succeed is only Biafra. Remember when I said it 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago? I told you people. I said it's only Biafra. I said because those people are passionate. No be Benin, no be Yoruba. Na Biafra. Na he go feel help us. If Nigeria go better, na Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, that man, he know what he's doing. He know, don't you see his follower? They support her. They not be like other movement too. They support her. They know they tire every day. I told you people, I say Nnamdi Kanu, we need Nnamdi Kanu. I'll be saying it. Guess what? He never reached 2 weeks. Bam! I told you people. I they watch her. I they watch the guy. I know say he get that hard that are ready to die for Biafra. Many people, then they fight themselves. They go one bring the other one down. But thank God, God have prevailed over them. Now, we are moving forward. You see Yoruba? Another Yoruba like Nnamdi Kanu. Now Yoruba man, now he sign the paper when they take detention. Another Yoruba man, Yoruba betrayed Yoruba. Now the same Yoruba. Now he sign paper when Abiola take jail. Now the same Yoruba. Now he help DSS put Omoyele Sowore for prison now, for jail. Another Yoruba. Why not they kill on ourselves? Yoruba. Problem of Nigeria. Can you imagine? Sowore lawyer was not even allowed. I get a classified information yesterday. If I don't hear something, I know they talk. Why the Yoruba justice not say no? The accused or whatever. Sowore should have every right to defend himself. Why? Why you not allow Sowore lawyer come? Another Yoruba. They destroy Yoruba. You know say Benin people, they learn from Yoruba. Now so Benin, some Benin, they destroy Benin. Another Yoruba. Come on. And I also come out. I got 5 minutes left. Well, just what I want to let you people know. I want to tell you people what I can tell you now. The only solution, to reduce corruption and end bad leader in Africa, most especially in Nigeria, is here. I have been preaching it. Now the Kanu don't come out now tell them and say any South leader when they come abroad, they want do what do they call them? Ihanezi fundraising in Madrid. So all the governors that are coming, me, I need that 1 million. So if you are not the kind of people, me, I go fit bring 2 or 3 governor itinerary for them. So I need that 1 million. That will be 3 million. So my number is +1 469 618 2990. I will provide the itinerary. So for them. So for Washington DC, I think it is good for Obaseki to face his problem in Edo State. He cannot come here and intimidate me. So he said I should not come to Edo State. He can come to America. But when he came here, he has to respect me. This is my land. This is my home. I will not allow a terrorist sponsor like Obaseki to come to my own town, and come and intimidate me here. Over my dead body will never happen. Akataka. Esuno, I am in Washington DC. Whether or not give me money or support me or not support me, but I will just go the place alone. Forget protest. Just leave and because una person when want help some of una, he go die before I go no say they help him. You understand me? So that's it. I love you. Tomorrow we go see. So what I'm telling everybody, if you are in diaspora, any political leader and it come you they use your mouth to carry on, we go expose you. We go put you for problem. I am urging everyone. The only solution how to solve corruption is to chase them out of Western world. Let them go. Even that they want to do medical, Mona go to that hospital. Go protest. Go protest. Protest so tell until doctor. Go call police. Police not go do anything if not protest. Peaceful. Police not go do anything. You have a right to protest. Yeah? So go protest. Any house where you have there, go protest. Anywhere they stay, make you go protest. Yeah? So God bless everyone. I love you. Tomorrow we're gonna have it. This is preamble of what is gonna happen tomorrow. So God bless you. I want every brothers and sister to share this video. Mega Comrade gotta go. That is what happened when you are not supporting Mega Comrade. Thank you and good night, everybody. Thank you. Tomorrow, not tomorrow. I need support. God bless Brafa. God bless Nnamdi Kanu. And may the Lord Almighty bless the good Nigeria. And may God punish all the bad Nigeria. Useless people. You understand? Now then Nigeria behave anyhow.
We go to school, we don't graduate too, but there is no job.
Now then Nigeria
We try to
behave
live here to promise,
anyhow.
and then
Wait.
return us. There's
You
nothing
think
about
say if na Nigeria they stop that yeye senator, you know go now say people all these court boys now they go come and come the fight. Make una come abroad because now one die follow politician. God punish evil politician. They don't even beat the guy. They don't beat him. What am you not soon? I tell him, oh my we got be now we got your my no. Oh, you go or the value on your yeah, Obaseki Army make boa. Obaseki Army make boa. Me America not be one Nigeria. When all do be one America. Obaseki Army make boa America. Every way, you don't know when you get Nigeria. We know do time. Obaseki Army make boa America. That's it. Good night. No problem.